in the mines, we can reduce emissions of such huge magnitude. I think it is already there on the thing. I don't require to read it. We are talking about SOx, NOx, everything what we had, which Madam Michelin was talking in the morning. Economy, Volvo trucks are always economical for the similar standards by 30% always because of their patented design. We should have connected mining in Volvo trucks, even in coal transportation also, so that the trucks can find out which loading equipment it should go, and also which exit points it should follow for the faster evacuation of coal and getting out from the mines area. It is digitalized. For Volvo, we do not say availability, we do not say utilization percentage, we say we have no time for time down. And we follow these 100% digital methods. You can see it on the screen for each and every operation that is being done at mines from the starting to the ending of a particular operation. Load monitoring system, again, should be installed for stopping overloading, unnecessary overloading above a particular limit, and warning lamp should be given to the shovel operator also for the overloading of the trucks. Advanced safety features, I understand we are taking time. Advanced safety features, you can read it on the screen. These are presently not available in India, but can be provided. I'll go through.
Volvo Trucks has developed its collision warning with emergency brake to include yet another safety feature, distance alert. Distance alert is activated at speeds of over 60 kilometers per hour. It warns the driver via a red light projected onto the windscreen when it detects that the distance from the vehicle in front is less than the selected time gap. This gives the driver a chance to slow down and maintain a safer distance from the vehicle ahead, enabling a smoother ride and traffic flow. But most importantly, it can help prevent collisions, in particular trailer back accidents, where one truck collides with another from behind. Distance alert is engineered to further improve safety for all road users and is yet another step toward Volvo Trucks' vision of zero accidents.
This is another safety line changing support. Always it is also important in mines, because a lot of accidents do happen in the mines because of this particular problem, lane changing support.
Lane changing support is a radar system designed to prevent accidents. It's activated by the use of the turn signal. Changing lanes towards the passenger side isn't always easy. If there is a vehicle in the blind spot, lane changing support alerts the driver via a warning lamp and a buzzer. Volvo is the only truck manufacturer to offer lane-changing support. The system enhances the overall safety of a Volvo truck.
Driver alert support.
Inattention is a growing concern amongst drivers. Volvo Trucks Driver Alert Support is an extension of the lane-keeping support system. In addition to lane position, the system continuously monitors the driver's steering behavior in order to assess the driver's attention and alertness level. The current status of the alertness is shown in a bar graph in the driver display. If the driver shows signs of inattention, fatigue, or low alertness, the driver is notified by an acoustic signal as well as by an indication on the instrument panel. It's time for a break.
We can also introduce airbags in trucks. Why not? If we have it in cars, why can't we introduce this particular system in trucks? It is available. This is our way forward for zero accidents, Volvo. Clean movements with cover is available with Volvo for the last 6-7 years, still to be implemented. Both mechanical and flip-flop system is available for emission control and also for theft, against theft. Yes, another important thing which can actually revolutionize this coal transport is through road train. One particular tractor can move at least 150 tons to 350 tons of coal in one well, and is very popular in Australia and in Indonesia. So why can't we have dedicated freight corridors and carrying these 350 tons of coal evacuation in one lot? So it can also. Another important thing, how you will evacuate the coal. Our recommendation is IoT-based, digital, web-based web bridge with management. So introduction of in-motion web bridge. I'm not talking about electronic web bridge. I'm talking about in-motion web bridge, IoT-based unmanned multiple exit points managed by a cloud management, weight bridge capacity not less than 200 tons, load sensing device installed in every truck registering load per trip, and seamless truck management with no waiting period. So it will be like a fast track in a super highway. It should also have connected mining. This is our, I'm
Mr.
not
Maiti,
going
we
to,
are really running short
right.
of time.
Maybe we are future ready with LNG, electric and hydrogen. Alternative fuels, the problems, I'm not going to touch. My presentation with available with the organizers. We have on and off highway water sprinklers, 28 KL capacity for coal transportation roads, mist tie. We have tree transplanters we can do. We are future ready with our products and services which conforms to the emission norms. I'll not go much. This we have already shown. Suggestions important, this is my last slide. Suggestion is standardization of coal trucks to minimum 35 ton payload capacity. Euro 6 norms to be adhered to, must. Adherence to DGMS safety norms and also the norms which we have shown, which is the latest in the world. MOTH policy amendment to be increased from 55 ton to 75 ton. Composite tenders for high tenure attracting higher investments because it is business. Specially designed coal trucks, dedicated coal transport corridors for first mile connectivity, introduction of in-motion high-capacity wave bridges, and IoT-based exit points for seamless transportation of coal. Thank you for your patient hearing.
Thank you very much. Our next speaker is Mr. Anil Kumar, representing the Inland Water Authority of India. I'd request him to kindly make his presentation and please try to make it as brief as possible.
Please come. Mr. Anil Kumar represents Inland Water Transport and Trade Authority of India, and he will be making a presentation on this very important and interesting subject. Can you please confine yourself for 10 minutes?
Namaskar to all senior officials on the dais and off the dais, speakers on the dais, officials from various organizations and gatherings on behalf of Inland Waterways Authority of India. First of all, I would like to thank Indian Coal Forum for giving opportunity to Inland Waterways Authority of India for giving a small presentation in this august presence. Thank you. Chairman, sir, I begin my presentation.
Yeah, please.
Thank you, sir. As sir has already told that inland water transport is playing a crucial role in the development of an alternate, environment-friendly and economical mode of inland waterways transport. I will give a brief presentation on our organizations and development of inland waterways in India. We were established in 1986, on 27 October 1986. During the period 1986 to 2014, there was 5 national waterways, and after 2014, 105 more national waterways were declared, making it to 111 national waterways. Presently, in 23 national waterways, traffic movement is going on, which is depicted in the file, in the slide also. In 1986, national waterway number 1, River Ganga was declared. In 1988, National Waterway 2 was declared. In 1993, West Coast Canal was declared. In 2008, National Waterway 4, National Water 5, which I am hearing from the morning for coal movement. Many speakers have told on this also. And 2006, 106 new waterways declared, making it to 20,187 kilometers. What are the key functions of IWI? We are infrastructure development, in which we are mainly developing terminals, fairway maintenance. Regulations, new IV Act has been passed in 2021. It provides vessel registrations, training, running, navigation, safety. Technical studies we are providing. Advise and assist to central and state government, and which are not national waterways, declared national waterways. We, through central sponsored scheme, we are funding the projects. For training and development, we have a institute at Nini, and recently we have opened a skill development center at Guwahati. Under Jal Marg Vikas project, total 1390 kilometer national waterway number 1 has been developed, in which from Haldia to, in which we have developed 3 multimodal terminals, one at Varanasi, one at Sahibganj, one at Haldia, and state-of-art navigation lock at Farakka navigation lock, which has reduced the time for crossing the vessels for only 20 minutes. For assured dredging, we were finding depth issues were raised by many users. For this, our organization has given assured dredging contract from Haldia to Varanasi. We are maintaining 3-meter depth up to Bar. From Bar to Gazipur, we are maintaining 2.5, and upstream up to Varanasi, 2.2 meter. Sir, to connecting national waterway number 2, which is river Brahmaputra, we have to traverse from Bangladesh. The total length of, in this regard, we have a protocol signed between India and Bangladesh, which was signed in 1972. It was renewed after 3-4 years like that, but from 2015 onwards, we have a provision in the agreement that with trade agreement, it will be renewed automatically in every 5 years. So it has been renewed in every 5 years, and this trade is going very well in connecting National Waterway 2, and we have access to northeast states, mainly Upper Assam, Pandu, and Lower Assam, Karimganj. In addition to above, there is a SOP signed on passenger and cruise services on coastal and protocol routes, and this is also picking up in this sector. I will come in later slide upon coastal routes. A short brief on this, I will just tell, sir. There are 10 protocol routes which are connecting our eastern part with Calcutta. National Waterway 1 is connecting to Pandu, Assam through protocol route number 1 and 2. 1 and 2 means 1 is upstream going from Calcutta to Pandu, 2 is coming from Pandu to vice versa. 3 and 4 is the protocol route connecting from Calcutta to Karimganj and coming back. 5 and 6 is the interesting one. It is downstream at Farakka navigation lock. Actually, there is no access to connecting with national water with Jangipur. So we have developed a terminal, a place known as Maya in the Murshidabad, which is a port of call. From Maya to Aricha, we have connected, this is river Ganga, which is called Padma in Bangladesh, and it is, its confluence is at Aricha in Bangladesh. This river is confluence of river Brahmaputra and Ganga in Bangladesh. In 5 and 6, a joint technical committee was formed. They have assessed the dredging quantity to be dredged. This route will reduce the distance of approximately 930 kilometers